Today is the 13th day of our coding challenge using mobile phone, and our task for today is going to be light and dark mode toggle. So this is going to be very simple. What we are going to do is let's come over here and search for SPC, and this is our previous code. So what we are going to do, we are going to close it quickly. Let's close the JavaScript and create a new file. And this file is just going to be dark mode.js. Let alert. Hi. And here we are going to link it with the this HTML. Let's see. Okay, we are successfully linked it with just HTML. Let's start coding. And remember that we are doing everything dynamical. We are not going to create style.css or index.css, or we are not going to create any other thing inside HTML apart from this, our linking. We are going to do everything inside JavaScript. So first we are going to say const body, and that is going to be document dot body, and that is all. Sorry, this should be equal. Then here we are going to create the button, and the button is just going to be const button equals to document dot create document dot create element, and the element we are going to create is a button element. After this, we are going to start we are going to add event listener to this, but before this we are going to say button dot text content, and this text content is going to be equal to, let's just call it toggle dark. Let's just say toggle dark, and after this we are going to append it to the child, to this body. To append it to the body, what we are just going to do is just say body dot append child, and that is going to be the button that we created here. So if we view it right now, you will notice that we have successfully created a toggle dark here button. So right now, to work with this, we can just say button dot add event listener, so we can be able to click on it. Then the event is going to be listening to click event, and after that we can just create a function, and that function is going to be button. Let's just call it button toggle form, just like this. Then we can create our function using const. I prefer using const this time around because I want to train myself, so I will get used to it. So here, and I remember that the other function is also good because it lets us avoid the hoisting. So we just have const button dot toggle font. Sorry, button toggle font. That is the name of our function, which we call here. So here we are just going to create this arrow function here, and we can paste it here. We can just say log. We can log something to see whether this is going to work well. We're going to say hi. So if we click on this button here, if you click on it, you can see we are getting high. We are getting high at the button here. So right now, this button is working. The next thing we are going to do is just say const okay. We are going to say body dot class list dot toggle. Then we are going to say dark mode, or you can name it whatever you like. But I'm going to name it dark mode. Let's log this in and see what we have. Just paste it inside and let's log it. It is going to show through if it's available. Let's click this button dark here. As you can see, it show first, it showed through, then second time it show first. Then let's click it just once. As you can see, we are getting through. We are getting through. So if we click again, it's going to show first. It's going to show through. So it is going to be toggling the button. It's going to toggle in the body. You understand? It is going to put it into true or false. That's why once we click, it gives us true. You click again, it gives us false. It gives true to false. That is what it will always be doing. So let's take away this console.log and leave it like this. And remember that we have this. We need that to close the function. So here right now, we can just say we are going to give. So right now we are going to give it the color we want it to be changing to once it's true. So then if you are going to say if body.classList, if body dot class list contains dark mode, if body.classList contain dark mode, then we are going to start the body, and that is going to be body.style background color, and that is going to be equals to this color number. Let's just say 333. Else then body dot style background color is going to change to white. That is a FFF. And remember, if you have more elements here, you can actually do the check. But for this, we want to leave it simple. So what we are doing here is just to make sure that our toggle is working. We just want to make sure our toggle is working. So right now, let's see if this works. So if I click, you get dark mode, you get light mode, you get dark mode, you get light mode. if you like self, you can see this place we say dark. We just say this is a toggle dark. So we can just, once it is dark, we are going to send this back to white, to light. You can just say toggle light. But if it's light already, then we can send it back to toggle dark. Let's see what we are going to get here. Right now we have toggle dark. If we click, you can see that the text also changes. Toggle light. If we click this, you can see it changed back to toggle dark. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video.